Let's DIY an Easter coffee bar using supplies from the Dollar Tree. For the first one, we're going to do a art print using a free printable that I will include down in the comments below today's video. And I'm going to use a Dollar Tree frame. This has the wood texture on it, but it's not one of their wood frames. But I thought we could make it look better than that dark color for the wood. So I went over it first with a sand color here of acrylic, and I like the fact that you can see a little bit of that texture down in there, but I don't want too much of that brown coming through because I want to brighten it up. Now for the canvas itself, I'm going to use the glass as the back. It makes a perfectly smooth background for my printable. I designed this printable, Somebody Needs Coffee, and printed it out on cardstock. I'm just going to cut it down to size to fit on the 8x10 glass, use Mod Podge on the glass, and we are going to glue it directly on the glass. This works great. It gives you a really easy DIY with a really great finish. Once I get it on there, I don't need to wait for it to dry. I can go over it with more Mod Podge because the cardstock doesn't really wrinkle, and that gives a great painting finish. I'm going to pop that back in the Dollar Tree frame, and we have our first DIY here for this Easter coffee bar. Somebody needs coffee. That's probably me. For the next two items that we're going to add to the coffee bar, I found these at the Target dollar spot. They look like wood. They're little bunnies, super cute. They were only $1. I'm going to pop them in front of a Dollar Tree DIY sign that I did there. So easy making that a standing sign. For the next DIY, I'm going to use some of these beautiful tulips that I found at the Dollar Tree, and I'm going to show you how I am going to DIY the glass vase. I thought instead of frosting it, I would just use spray paint on it to make it look like ceramic. It's already got a great texture, and I had this ivory color spray paint, so I just went over. It has like dimples all over, but the spray paint did a great job of getting in there and painting it and really making it look nice. I went over the top rim of it too to make sure that the entire thing was covered. Instead of a glass vase, we have a nice ceramic looking vase for these beautiful tulips. I just popped them in there. These are ready to go on the Easter coffee bar as well, and what a fun spring touch. Now the next item for the Dollar Tree is a Dollar Tree Plus find for $3. One of the little felted bunnies in light blue. He's already got raffia around his neck. He's perfect. I had a lot of felted items like this on my coffee bar, and this is going to be perfect. The pastel color looks great there with the flowers and the sign that we just DIY'd. The next Dollar Tree DIY, I wanted to make a cute little pennant banner that was really easy for one of my shelves of my coffee bar, and I'm going to do it with these little bunny bums from the Dollar Tree. They're felt, they're already put together. I'm just going to take some twine and glue these onto the back. I do use a ruler to try to make sure that I evenly space these out because I won't be able to move them since I'm gluing them down. But perfect, ready to go. I always like to use an odd number like 3 or 5 when I'm doing a little mini pennant banner or garland to go across my shelf. And this is how it looks on the top shelf of my coffee bar. Now let me show you how the entire Easter coffee bar turned out. So many fun Dollar Tree DIYs. If you would like more Dollar Tree Easter DIYs, be sure to check out my YouTube channel at Crafty Beach. And until next time, happy crafting.